Hello everybody. Well, it's project time again. Got an issue with the mini excavator. What the issue is when I turn up the fuel throttle, it does not rev up the motor. The reason why is because of the flood. You can see the flood line right here. Right there is where the top of the water got in the flood, and unfortunately right down here you can see that little shiny, you can see the fuel cable, and there's a motor and a solenoid down there that when you turn the knob up here, this knob right there, it doesn't engage that motor anymore, or I guess it's probably rusted out since it was underwater for quite a long time. So this will be a several part series, probably, well, 2 parts at least, because I'm gonna have to go get the part. Take a look at it from this angle, and you can see it down there. See, there's a fuel cable right there, and there's the motor, and the motor seems good. It's just the mechanical part that needs to be replaced, but don't know what it's going to cost, and I will give you an update once I find the part and get it in my hands, and we'll start doing the project. Okay, thanks. Okay, we're back at it. You can see we got the part. Let's take a look at it. Make sure it's the right one. Yep, that's the right part. That's what it looks like. And so I'll set up this camera here and start, I guess, finish the rest of the work I need to do, because the old one's still in there. It's, like I said, way down there. Way down there. And the mystery would be how to get to it. Do I take out the fuel tank? I've kind of bolted quite a bit of it. I may be able to just slide it a little bit. I'm going to probably have to undo some of the electrical lines, the ground lines here, and a few other things. I will see what it takes to get that part out and put a new one in. Okay. Right about now, we need some music. Maybe I'll put some on here in a second. I need to get some paper towels. Hold on. Okay, I got the paper towels here. Put them right in here. I got some extensions and some swivels. How many extensions? 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is a reducer. And how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a reducer. And some swivels. We'll see how this works. I think I can get this out without having to remove the gas can or gas tank. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. New challenge. That reducer I was talking about broke. Look at that. Broke right in the socket. Luckily I got 3 more in the garage somewhere that I can get. I'll probably change it to where it's actually a larger socket drive. That should solve the problem. But 2 more bolts to go. Keep you updated. Okay. I just did them. Last of the bolts using this thing. Woohoo! Quite a reach. And I just unplugged it here. I don't see any burn marks, so that looks good. Let's see if I can reach it in here. Pull it out. There it is. You can kind of see what it looks like. It sits pretty nasty. But let me get her taken off here and put the new one on. Okay. Okay. I got the motor right here off the bracket. That's probably where the water came in right there when it was flooded. And that motor is definitely seized. Cannot move it. It's seized. So I cleaned off the bracket. It's ready to accept the new motor. By the way, so you can see I didn't move the gas tank. We're able to take the gas tank out. I did unloosen the 2 clamps here around the fill nozzles, so in case I did move it just a tad, pivot it just a little bit. I'm glad I didn't have to empty it because it had 3/4 of a tank of diesel in it. So I'm gonna put it back together now. Everything's cleaned up, so give you an update. Okay, gas tank's all buttoned up. It's in place. All the wires back in place. I think we're ready to test it out. Remember, this is the auto idler for the fuel system to basically allow it to, when you get off the machine, idle down from the working idle or the working RPMs. So let's crank her up and see if it starts. May have to adjust the idle a little bit lower. It's changing the computer right there. Let's see if it works. Let me give it a throttle. Throttle, please. Yeah, it works. Throttle it. RPM. Perfect. Yeah, love it. Okay, I'll button her up and close the video out after I button her up. Yay. Bad part. Okay, she is buttoned up all the way.